Good morning.
Hello.
The wind's getting up. We stayed here last night.
It's lovely.
We're moving towards Marbury, probably on this journey.
In the middle of the night, some really loud people, but you didn't hear it because he was snoring.
And presumably Ethel was as well. So we're having a stress-free trip today. 4 locks, I think. We'll see. Quite close to the first lock. There's a boat just coming out of it, so Tom's walking down. Hopefully they'll leave the gates open and we'll just go straight in. Wonderful. It was a stone hire broke Patricia that we've seen loads of times, not the same people on it obviously, but they shut the gate. Never mind, at least the lock was still full. Tom's opened it, and I can keep an eye on my washing machine. How cool are we? It's part of autism. I like watching things going round. Never mind. This lady on Narrowboat, Patricia, she's gone. She's just told Tom that this lock is broken. We're in Povey's Lock, by the way. So, if the rest of the video is taken up by us all being in Povey's Lock, then we'll have to tend to agree with a big thumbs up. The lock's broken, but it seems I'm going down. Unlike the white knuckle ride out at Grindley Brook yesterday. Hopefully, it won't be coming back up again. Do a little documentary style. The sill, the dreaded sill, where the actual physical bottom level is happening on, the bottom level is now. If you don't stay forward, right now, up in a very, very very serious situation. Documentary over. Just approaching Willeymore Lock. Tom's walked that lock. This lock. Not that lock. And he can't take Ethel with him because she's just, well, she's just too Ethel-y. Especially around locks, I'm afraid. One day when she calms down a little bit, you never know. Oh. Thought he would have had it out, but no. I've peaked too soon. Better stop recording because there's going to be some shouting. My first load of washing is finished. As soon as I get the opportunity, I'll put another load in. I'm easily amused, you know. Easily amused. We're at Quoisley Lock. It's very busy here. 3 boats waiting to come up, just us coming down. There's 2 solo boaters helping each other. It's nice to get help, but when he kept on beckoning me and insisting that I came into the lock when the other boat hadn't left it, we tried that in one of our other videos. Somebody hit his head on. I'm sure he means well. I've said it before and I'll say it again. This canal goes through some fantastic countryside. Wonderful. I don't know how the sound's doing because we've lost our dead cat and the wind's picking up. So, if all you can hear is wind noise, I apologise. Just approaching Marbury Lock, and then that'll be almost the end of this little short trip. 4 locks is enough for one go. Marbury Lock, just coming in. I've got the gate open. I know I keep saying, but by car we're only about half an hour away from home. We are so lucky. Lock. This is the end of this short video. I'm going to go down below, sort my washing out, put it out to dry, put another load in, and we'll pick the video up later.